Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you crashes involving parked cars. I got a question for you. If you pass 1,000 parked cars like this, how many are going to open their door, turn out in front of you, pull a U-turn? Guessing if you pass 1,000, probably at least a couple, and it really doesn't take much time to pass 1,000. So don't ride next to all these parked cars like this. The worst place you could possibly be with all the parked cars is like right here, because at any time, any one of these cars could pull out. They could pull a U-turn. They could open their door, and you would just, if you're right here, you have absolutely no space and absolutely no time to do anything about it. If you're over here towards the center, if one of these cars decides to pull out, at least you've got a good vantage point over here, so you can really see ahead, as opposed to being down here where you can't really see what's happening with the line of cars up ahead. So if someone flips on their turn signal, if like maybe a car is just pointing a little bit diagonally or their wheels facing out, you're not going to be able to tell if you're in this position, but you're going to be able to tell if you're paying attention and if you're in this position. So again, with the other videos, more time, more space, etc. Another move that tends to happen pretty frequently is a car will pull a U-turn, trying to get over and turn into this position. It used to be a pretty common taxi move, and it still is, but keep in mind that there's a lot of ride shares out there, a lot of Uber, a lot of Lyft. So any car is potentially a taxi, and any car at any time could be pulling this move. So just ride. When you see this traffic situation, a whole bunch of cars lined up and parked, ride so you give yourself a lot of time and a lot of space to react to anybody opening their door, turning into the turn lane, or making a U-turn in front of you.
Ух ты, ёб твою мать, блядь! Баба дура, ёбаный рот.
Ебать!
Нахуй!
А еще бывает,
Ебать.
можно упростить задачу. Ну,
Нет, ну будь поаккуратнее, а? Это наша жизнь.